Hi and welcome to another Type with me. In today's video I want to talk about the secret behind erasable syntax only in TypeScript. But first, a nice good to know. Actually, amaro is a wrapper around TypeScript, and it's been used actually within the type stripping of Node.js. So the main goal of this package is to provide a stable API for TypeScript parser, which is unstable and subject to change. So I prepared a JavaScript file actually, which has a foo method with a namespace, container, a bar, a pound direction. So all these things are not strippable. So if I do node dot actually, or node index dot CSL, you will see here that I got an error, unexpected identifier, and that's for the container. But if we actually test things out like this, you will see that we will get more errors. So I'm going to remove, for example, this one right here. Again, saving this and actually doing this node.index.ts, and you see here an expected strict mode reserved word. If I remove this one right here, if I save this and I run this node index.ts, I get a direction up, down, left, right. So here we are, we get some kind of errors, but you don't get any error when like this, for example, when you're writing your code, right? So what do we do to get a kind of error there? Well, we are using the erasable syntax only thingy, and we get now 5 errors. When we go over it, you see here the syntax is not allowed when erasable syntax only is enabled. Same thing here, and same thing here, and same thing right here. And so actually this is a good one, of course. So if you want to use TypeScript within your Node environment, you can very easily do so, and this is the way how to do so. So I think this is a very nice and interesting feature for TypeScript 5.8 because of the fact that we now indeed can use Node and TypeScript all together. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something from it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please give this a thumbs up if you think it was useful, and subscribe to my channel if you didn't do that already. Thank you very much. See you next time.